Hi everyone, I'm Shanna, your Photobook master. Today I would like to dive a little deeper into one of my top 10 pro Photobook tips. And this one talks about fonts, using 2 fonts throughout your entire book. Let's dive in. So choosing 2 fonts to use throughout your book and staying consistent with those fonts is going to result in a polished, professional looking design without things feeling too cluttered and busy. Now the key is to choose one font that is more creative and one that is more standard. So when you're selecting your creative font, think about the mood of your photo book. Is it nostalgic? Is it playful? Is it very emotional? Just remember, even though this creative font will have more styling to it, you still want it to be easily readable. This font will be used to highlight, could be names of places, names of people, special dates, special events, anything that you want to highlight in a page or spread. Now your standard font, it will be something more simple and clean, very easy to read, and it will be used for things like stories, descriptions, captions, further detail on what is happening in the photos that you've put on your page. Here are a few samples of groupings that I've put together in Canva, just to give you a little idea. And if you're ever wanting to play around with fonts, Canva is a super place to do this. I have the first grouping here. This one's more of a cursive font with a straight standard font underneath. This one's a little funkier, a little different character, again, with a very standard font, something a little thinner, just a different feel to it, different design underneath. And then this grouping at the bottom is just the same as the top. So I thought we would look at this one together. I'll highlight this. When you are in Canva and you come up to fonts, you do have the option of filtering various handwritten fonts, corporate style fonts. This is often where I find my standard font. Display styles, these will be a little more bold potentially. Play around with this. We go back here. We'll try vintage. I will say it is easy to spend a lot of time searching for the perfect font. I'm in Canva where they have hundreds and hundreds of fonts available. Photobook sites will have various fonts available to you. They will not have this extensive list. But coming into Canva and playing around a little bit with what's available just gives you the ability to see what would work together, what doesn't work together, get a feel for what you're looking for. Now the idea behind pairing these 2 different styles of fonts is the more creative one will draw attention, pull you in, and lead then into the more standard font where you can read further detail. By sticking with 2 and maintaining consistency, your book will be polished and professional looking and very easily enjoyed and readable. I hope you learned something. It's brief, it's a really easy tip, but it goes a long, long way in the overall look and feel of your photo book. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, follow along. There will be more tips and tutorials to follow on creating great photo books.